Hi, I'm Brian. We are working on a 4440 today, John Deere, and we converted it from the ISO conversion kit that John Deere sold for years to go from the old style John Deere to the new style Pioneer. Now we converted to the new style, looks like Grows, but it's actually a John Deere part number, and it's these ones right here. These move in and out. This does not move no more. It's solid with a bolt in the back. New O-rings, new tops put in. We done both sides. As you can see, the old ones leaked all over the place, so we still got to wash and clean all this up. I have a leak still right here. I think I pinched either that little O-ring or that O-ring going back together, so we got to take these lines back off and reseal it up and put it back together, because whenever you use the loader, it leaks oil out right in here. So we'll put them new O-rings in, go from there. Right there's the part number to the new couplers, so hopefully if somebody needs it, that is from John Deere number. That is not a Groves number. That is John Deere now sells these. Well, we're going to change oil in a 4440 hydraulic oil, so might as well watch while we do it. So let's get you guys set up. Right here where you can see what's going on.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind.
Transmission filter, hydraulic filters on the left hand side of the tractor, right inside the tire. So we're going to change it out here. So I'm going to change this filter out. So break it loose. Like this bucket over, maybe catch a little bit of it. And clean up the filter housing here. Get it all cleaned up. Wipe it out. Best purchase on Amazon ever. Just put a little brake force cleaner in it. Put a little compressed air in it. Buy it on Amazon, and you buy the brake parts cleaner on Amazon too. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks real good now. Okay, super clean. Finish wiping it up. So, a new John Deere transmission filter. Slid back down on there. The old ring don't look bad at all. So tighten it up there. Yeah, it's heating in. Should be good. And put the drain plug back in it. You get old tractors here. Never have no problem with this one. It does its job well, and it didn't break the bank. White pull out. So take this out if we can. See what we see in there. See if we can get it pulled out right there. There we go. Ain't bad at all. See, there's anything on this. Just spread it off a little bit. Just like a new one. Yeah, put it back in there. Put the drain plug back in. That's got it. Put it back here where we grab a hold of it. Slide our tools out. Tighten that up a little bit. I'm gonna wash the whole tractor once we're done. Now we're gonna take this remote apart. Put these new O-rings in there because it's leaking out right here. So we gotta take these lines loose. Get these lines loose. A lot easier to handle with them loose. Put that over there and go to the loader. Oh, come on, man. Dadgummit. Okay. Loose. Loose. Oh, get. And to get the old lazy man ratchet. Crack it loose a little bit. bottoms. And they're kind of hard because you can't get impact in there to them. There we go. And take the 3/8 ratchet and get down in here, back them out. Come on, bolts. I don't know whenever I put this together if I cut an O-ring or not, or it slipped a little bit, but we will find out here in a second. It's usually how we will put it together 2 or 3 times to get it right. I can hardly afford to have anybody else do it anymore. Not being as small as what we are. Not being as small as what we are. So, take that one out. Kind of hard to hold all this and all together. Well, see what's looks like we might have another issue. She had a ring in there. So let's see what's anything else is wrong. Don't look too bad. It's just a ring. We'll go from there. See if we can get that ring out there. I don't know if it got washed up in there or if it coming from someplace else or oh. Huh. It's out there. I think we caught it there. Probably wouldn't have been good if it had got down deeper, would it? Probably wouldn't have been good. Get this all wiped up, cleaned up, dried up. Go from there. Cleaned up and ready to go. Some of the oil back out of it so it don't run everywhere. There we go. I think it looks pretty good. Now, I'm gonna put her back together. These are the little O-rings. Amazing what a little piece of rubber costs. That goes right there. That goes right in there like that. Never had this much problem before. Usually they stay right in there. So let's pull this little guy out of there. Over here. That's how she'll sit right there. Let's take a get that now there. That now there. Okay. And then here like this. Try to get down the package. Stay right there. Now, anybody ever wish that they had like 3 or 4 more hands? Put this one in. And let's climb back on the struggle and try to put it all back up on there without losing everything again. Okay, looks pretty close right there. I'm gonna find this long bolt. The long bolt goes to the other side, and now you got a power beyond. Thing is not light. Let's take a light and check this right here. Make sure everything's still in. Looks like everything's still in there. Run this in a little bit. Pressure against it so the rings don't fall out. Okay.